Hi girls, it's Miss Trini from Kinder A. Today we're going to review some vocabulary words. You have already learned these words, so we're going to repeat it and say them together. I'm going to say the word first alone, and then I'm going to count up to 3 with my fingers like this. And then we're going to say the words together. Are you ready? Let's go. Wave, wave. Water, water. Beach, beach. Ocean, ocean. Sand, sand. Okay, these were the words of this week. Also, for this week, we're going to play memory game. Remember, when playing this game and turning the flashcards upside down, you have to say the word that is there. So, for example, if I turn the card that says ocean, I have to say ocean. Okay? Hope you have fun with your family. Bye bye, and a big kiss for everybody.